Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable announce notifications replied without confirmation on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now we scroll down and tap on Siri and search. In here, we go down and tap on Announce Notifications. Now go down and tap on Replied without confirmation. If you do not see this section below, make sure you turn on turn on Announce Notifications, and then the bottom section will appear. And then you can tap on Replied without confirmation to switch it on or turn it off. So if this is turned on, it said that when acting on a notification that supports replies, have Siri send replies without first reading back the message. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.